Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all will be fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we discuss about what is machine translation. So let's start the video. First of all, we discuss what is machine translation. Machine translation is a process of using artificial intelligence to automatically translate text from one language to another. Without human involvement, modern machine translation goes beyond the simple word to word translation to communication and full of meaning and original language text in targeted language. It analyzes all text elements that are recognized how to the word influence at one another. What are the benefits of machine translation? Human translators use machine translation service that are translate faster and more affectionately. We give some benefits for machine translation below. Automated translation assistance. Machine translation provides a good starting point from professional human thinkers and many translation management systems that integrated one or more machine translation models into their workflow. They have two settings to run translations automatically, then sent to a human translator or posting editing. Speed and volume. Machine translation work very fast, translating millions of words and almost interacted that are translated largest amount of data, such as real time of charts and largest scale legal cases. It is can also process documentation and foreign languages, search as relevant terms, and remember those terms are the features of application. Large languages selection. Many major machine translations provider offer spotted 50 to 100 plus languages. Translation also happens to stimulancy and multiple languages, which is useful to global product rollers and documentation updates. Cost effective translation. Machine translation increases productivity and ability of deliver translation faster and reducing to the time to maker. These are the less human involvement that are processed as machine translation provide basic but valuable translation, reducing both of cost and time of delivery. For example, a high volume of projection can be integrated the machine of translation which your connected management system and automatically tag to your organization and connect it before translation to its different languages. What are some uses cases of machine translation? Here are the several uses and cases of machine translation such as those given below. Internal communication. For a company operating in different countries, a process to the word communication can be a difficult to manage. Language skill can be employment that are some of not understanding these companies' official languages well enough. Machine translation helps to the lower of elimination and languages barrier to communication in visual quickly obtain translation and text to the understand a contain core messages. You can use its translate presentation company bullets and common communication. External communication. Companies uses to machine translation to communication more effectively with external stakeholders and customers. For instance, you can be translate important documents into different languages in a global parents and customers. If online store operations in many different countries, machine translations can be translate product reviews so customer can be read them to their own languages. Data analysis. Some types of machine translation can process millions of user generated the comments and deliver highly accurate result in short of time form. Companies translate the largest amount of contact posted and social media and websites every day and translate it for elastic. For example, they can automatically analyze customer opinions and return it various languages. These are online customer services with machine translation. Brand can interact with customer all over the world no matter what is language to speak. For example, they can use the machine translation to increases the scale of live chat and automotive customer services email, improve the customer experience without hiring more employment. Legal research department uses the machine translation for preparing legal documentation. In different countries with machine translation, a largest amount of content becomes available and analytics for would be have been difficult to process in difficult languages. What is the history of machine translation? The idea of using the computer translation is automatically first of emergence in 1950. However, at the time of complexity of transactions, it is the higher to early estimated in scientists.